Without prioritizing sustainability moving forward, the concept of a beautiful world becomes nothing more than a satire. For Sri Trang Gloves Thailand Public Company Limited, sustainability is not just a concept, but the very essence of our operations, embraced by every individual within the organization. We have proudly embraced the concept of clean world, clean gloves, aligning our efforts with the UN SDGs and the UN Global Compact guidelines. Sustainability remains at the core of our commitment.
Today, we invite you all to join Nong Sri Trang on a journey to explore the 6 stations under the sustainability concept of Sri Trang Gloves. If you're all set, let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Welcome to our first station, Sustainable Sourcing. At Sri Trang Gloves, we firmly believe that sustainability begins at the source. Therefore, we ensure that our raw materials are sourced accurately, ethically, and traceably. Through our revolutionary application, Sri Trang Friends, developed by the Sri Trang Group, we source 100% of our latex directly from rubber plantation, small farmers, vendors, and factories. This cutting-edge technology allows us to verify the source of our materials, ensuring honest, ethical, and legal rubber trading practices. Moreover, Sri Trang Friends offer convenient functions tailored to meet the specific needs of farmers throughout the supply chain. Welcome to our second station, Sustainable Logistic Management. We've taken a strategic approach to sustainability by establishing factories close to integrated sources of raw materials. Firstly, by having factories near the source of raw materials, we significantly reduce greenhouse gases associated with transportation. Secondly, the proximity of our factories enables us to ensure convenient and efficient latex delivery. Moreover, this approach also plays a vital role in building a sustainable community economy. By supporting local industries and economies, we create a positive ripple effect that benefits everyone involved. Station 3. Environmentally friendly manufacturing. At Sri Trang Gloves, eco-friendly production is not just a goal, it is our unwavering priority. We lead by example in the gloves industry by using 100% clean energy and maximizing solar energy consumption in our factories. Our commitment to minimizing greenhouse gases per product unit drives us to become a net zero gloves company. We efficiently manage water, adhere to strict pollution and waste standards, promote a circular economy based on BCG principles, and work towards establishing sustainable communities. Our ultimate aim is to achieve standardized pollution and waste management, striving to become a zero-waste company. Station 4. Human dignity and social responsibility. At Sri Trang Gloves, our focus has always been putting people first, especially our key personnel who play a vital role in propelling our organization forward. We prioritize the care and development of our employees. We uphold the highest standards of human rights, fostering a culture of respect and dignity. Furthermore, our commitment to community and social development sets us apart. We are proud to be the first medical glove company to meet the standards specified in all 11 articles of the International Labour Organization, ILO. This reflects our dedication to promoting fair and ethical practices across our operations. Sri Trang Gloves is the only medical glove company to receive a grade A in all topics of employee care from Emfori BSCI. Additionally, we are certified with SEDEX SMETA labour standards in 4 key pillars, further validating our commitment to social responsibility. Station 5. Clean natural products. At Sri Trang Gloves, we are committed to using renewable, eco-friendly raw materials from nature that help absorb carbon, renewable raw materials, and decompose naturally. Our green supply chain further reduces greenhouse gas emissions, promoting sustainability. Welcome to our final station, Clean Optimization. We are dedicated to continuous improvement in creating high-quality, clean, and environmentally friendly gloves that benefit both users and the planet. To achieve this, we prioritize reducing pollution emissions to the environment and minimizing the use of chemicals, energy consumption, and waste in our production processes. Our goal is to enhance the efficiency of gloves, whether made from natural rubber or synthetic rubber, catering to a wider range of applications. Through innovation and sustainable practices, we aim to develop gloves that not only offer excellent protection for consumers, but also have a positive impact on the planet.
With our business operations guided by ESG principles and our continuous journey through all 6 stations, from upstream to downstream, we have achieved numerous rewards of pride on our path to sustainability. Our vision is simple: to deliver touch of life on a global scale. Through our commitment to sustainability, we can proudly demonstrate that the world is beautiful with our gloves. We are Sri Trang Gloves Thailand Public Company Limited. Clean world, clean gloves.